This video shows you how to balance your cash account in Debonair. As you are entering cash transactions, Debonair displays a summary for the period here on the left hand side of the screen. You then need to count your cash that you have at the end of the period and enter the amount counted here. If it agrees with the calculated balance, the difference here will show as 0, which is how it should be. If the amounts differ, then you'll need to review your entries to locate where you have gone wrong. This could be due to missing transactions out, such as money that you've introduced into the business to pay for some of the cash payments that you have made. You need to be aware that having a negative balance on a cash account is a physical impossibility. A cash account must have a positive balance or be 0. As you can see here, Debonair will not let you enter a negative balance. A further word of caution, make sure that you never leave a difference on your cash account here. HMRC would use this as a reason to discredit your bookkeeping efforts, to leave them free to suggest that your income is higher than what you have recorded. Once a balance has been entered, this opens the way for you to enter the next period, for you to post further cash transactions. If you don't enter your counted cash balance, you will not be able to advance to the next period. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified when new videos are uploaded. Bye for now.